Hi, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And those of you who don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, may God bless you. And those of you who never subscribe, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. And don't forget to share, leave your comment, thumbs up. According to what I talk, okay, guys. Thank you. I so much appreciate. May God bless you, all my subscribers. I so much appreciate. What I want to talk is about single mother. Single mother. If you know say you are a single mother, e no mean say tomorrow you know see husband marry another man wey go marry you put for house. And e get wetin I see one girl, I no wan call him. You know say you be single mother, you come dey useless yourself, dey do anyhow for social media. Dat one no be life, my sister. Carry yourself down. No dey use hand take dey do yourself. How normal person, I no know as I wan take talk am. You just dey I no know, dey useless your life because say you dey find view. I don't know. If you dey find view, my sister, no worry, God go do am for you. No be by uselessing yourself, misbehaving on social media. No be by that one person take dey get view. My sister, who wan view you go view you. No dey expose your body. Dey carry your mingrimo. I no know wetin I wan call am. I no wan mention the name. The two things wey God give you, dey carry am dey come out outside. No be man dey do you na you dey do yourself. Dey use hand take dey do am like pawpaw. All those things no make sense. E no make sense. E no mean say you be single mother, tomorrow you no see husband wey go marry you put for house. Abeg change. E no mean say you be single mother, you go dey use cucumber dey lick. You come dey lick yourself like say you be dog. E no make sense. Change. I no wan call him. Change. I no know. They go dey say Edo people. No be only Edo people. So another tribe still dey do that kind thing. I no wan mention them. Change. That one no be life. That one no be life at all. If your pikin grow now, you go come dey see all those kind nonsense. Wetin you go tell am? Wetin you go explain give am? Baby, because say my daughter, because say I dey find you now, wetin make me dey do all those kind nonsense? No make sense. I call that thing rubbish. I know say as you be single mother, maybe na mistake. All those women when they, I don't know, all those some girls when they pregnant, some na mistake. They not open eye, purposely open eye, say I won't become single mother. They not purposely do am. It be like say your own now, you can't purposely they do am, and then you like the condition. Even if say you be single mother, carry yourself down. Tomorrow, you don't know what it be tomorrow. God go fit answer you. God go fit answer you. You go get husband, the responsible man, when go put you for house. You dey licky everywhere, dey licky, dey shuku hand, they put for your body. I don't know what I won't call that kind. I'm ashamed. If you be single mother, they do all those kind things, that kind nonsense. Please change. You know me say you be single mother, you know see who go put you for house again. Which kind nonsense be all those one now? Which kind nonsense? Because of view, share. Follow me. Which kind nonsense? I dey paro. As I dey see the video self, they go viral everywhere. I don't even get joy again. I don't get joy. I no get joy. Not be because of you they do nonsense for social media. Single mother not come get respect again. Some single mother self, they still they get luck self. Not be say that they get luck. That they get luck, they go still see man when go marry them put for house. Be like say the thing you just carry am for head, you be single mother. Maybe now wait till you wish yourself and tomorrow you know marry again and you will just turn yourself as single mother. Finally, anything where you see, you will just they do and they misbehave yourself, they do nonsense thing. It no make sense. Change my sister. If you not see who advise you, or you will see, or I don't know as I want to put am, all those followers when they follow you, they talk say, do this one, do this one, they no advise you. My sister, they be bad friend. If you see friend where they see maybe you they do this kind of thing, maybe you go use and give you. They be bad friend. Now who love you now you will come tell you say, my sister, no they do all those kind of thing. No they expose your body, they expose your body everywhere, reach brand. It no make sense. It no make sense. It no make sense. No make sense at all. Wetin be that one? The thing they make me dey vex since 3 days when I dey see this video. You just dey go viral everywhere. Just dey go viral. Just dey go viral. Just dey go viral. You don't think when I dey see this type of video, but this one now it weak me pass. Now this one when I see, now this one when I weak me pass. The ones when I dey see before, or you know even weak me. You know weak me better dey vex before, but now this one I weak me pass. This one make me vex come out. Come address this issue. Wetin be that na? Still respect yourself na. Because of view. Wetin be view sef? Wetin be view? Make people for know you, recognize you for wetin? Talk better talk. People come know say this person dey talk. Even if say na 40 something view na you dey see. Tomorrow, you no know wetin be tomorrow. The view go boost. You know me say you go come dey do wetin no dey inside, I no know inside book. Because of wetin? Because of wetin? Make people for recognize you. I'm ashamed. Ifere remem, honestly. I no even get joy for all those kind of things when I dey see. I no wan call your name. I no wan call your name. I no wan mention name. I no want all those kind of things. But respect yourself. If you reach house, use your tongue. Take count your teeth. Sit down, think, rethink your life. Say, this thing when I dey do, it really makes sense. This thing go help me for future. And you get pikin now, you get children. Wetin you dey encourage your children? As you okay now, as you be mother now, your pikin grow now, you can't dey do this kind of thing. They carry this kind of like which kind of advice when you go give her? Which kind of advice when you go give her? Abeg, I dey vex, honestly. I dey paro. Which kind thing be that one? If na Benin na Facebook, according to many comments when I read for that video, Facebook go really catch fire. You go really catch fire. My people, abeg, men are not vex. The way the thing they inch me since how many days when this video they go viral, it they inch me. When I not vex the way when I take talk, I won't leave on her for here. I beg, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment according to what I talk. May God bless you all. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, now see you guys next time. Bye bye. See you guys next time, okay? May God bless you all.